Inara Nevaeh, and today I'm going to be making watermelon slices sugar cookies with my dad. So first I'm going to take some dough that has been standing in room temperature for 15 minutes. I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to put a cup of flour. Oh, first I got to put it in the bowl. Take my cup of flour and put it in. And then I'm going to add some green food coloring.
A little bit more.
I think I got enough. And then I'm going to beat it with my electric mixer. And he's gonna do it. They're gonna have chocolate in them. And medium speed.
More coloring.
I need more coloring, okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Got it all beaten up now, so I'm gonna take it out. And put it on some plastic wrap over here. And fold it. Squish it, squish it, squish it. Fold it, squish it, squish it, squish it. Flip it. Fold it. And now we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. We're going to do the same thing that we did with the green with some red. Now that we've got the red all done, we're going to do the same thing with the as we did with the green. We're going to put it in the middle. Fold. 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 Now we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now that our 2 hours is up, we rolled the green dough flat. Oh, a bigger roller pin. A heavy roller pin. Okay, I got friends. Now I can use my mini one. Now I got the red. I'm going to unroll it. It's supposed to be a loaf like this. We're going to put it in the flattened dough. Just roll, 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 roll. It's supposed to roll around it. Doesn't want to, but I'm going to make it. Boop, boop, boop. Do, 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 do. Gotta pick it up and make it stick. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Rolled. Now we're gonna wrap it up. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Set it up. Clap tap tap. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Okay. Now I'm gonna unroll it from the plastic from it being in the freezer forever. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Now you can leave them whole like me, or you can slice them in half. But for me, when they're being whole, I'm gonna put smiley faces on them. First, I'm gonna start by putting eyes on all of them. Now that I've got the eyes on, I'm gonna put the smileys. Smileys! I hope I have enough chocolate chips for my smiley. Smiley 1, done. I will be right back and all the smileys will be done. Yippee! Now that I've got my smiley faces on them, I'm going to put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes on 350. Now I got my cookies, time to put them in the oven. Yum, got my cookies! Let's try one.